there, welcome. Josette Pajot here with workwithjosette.com. Are you wanting to start a video blog as one of your marketing strategy and just don't know how to get started? Well, I'm spilling the beans in this video, sharing tips, tricks into making video blogging a success. Now is the best time to start with video blogging. It took me so long to include videos as one of my marketing strategies because I was so afraid into being into the camera or just talking in front of the camera period, that I had so many excuses that kept me from doing it. Sometimes I kind of wish that I would have started a lot sooner. You don't need to spend a lot of money on equipment. If you have a computer, then you have most of the equipments that you need. All I did when I first started, I went to Home Depot and bought a working light for about 35 bucks. And I went on Amazon. I think I spent about 90 bucks on on the mic. The mic that I'm using now is on the site. And if you're not comfortable to be on camera yet, you can use images and record your voice. Just get creative and use Google image. You can use book search of to features pictures of whatever product you want to features. You want to start publishing regularly. Creating a video may sound like a lot of work, but it's all worth it. I've seen an increase in my business and brand awareness all from my videos. Set a schedule when you will create content so you can consistently put contents out there. You don't need an expensive camera. I use my phone and the camera right from my computer. Right now I'm using the camera from my computer. As a beginner, I wouldn't worry about editing software right now. You just need to get started. You can start with short videos, about a minute or three long, to educate your cut audience. You can also just turn any articles that you already have on your blog or website into videos and just stay consistent. You want to be authentic. You want to be yourself and honest. Choose a topic that you know something about. You can share a review about a product that you have used. Create videos tutorial. Video tutorials such as step-by-step process learning videos are great. You can use screenshots like PowerPoint. You can also use tools like Cam Studio or Jing. Cam Studio has the ability to add an insert of yourself, using your webcam. That way people get to see who's presenting the tutorial. Camtasia is a paid version. It might be a little expensive, but the investment is worth it. But I recommend you using free version if you are on a budget. Show your audience how to use your product. Use videos from your sales page to sell the product, but screencasts to show how to use your product by focusing on the interface. Screencast is free. It makes it easy to use. Okay, that helps your audience have a better understanding about your product and why they should buy it. Create a video to answer your customers' questions. When your audience interact with you and ask questions or voice concern about your product or company, create a video to answer the questions or concerns. That way it attracts more traffic and create more conversation. You can also create series of videos. One of videos are great, like one of two or one of three and so on. But the key is to attract a larger audience by creating series of videos that deal with certain topics. Plan each video to follow on from the next in a logical manner. When you do this, you encourage your audience to watch one video after the next, which means more views and more clicks to your website. Educational videos in a specific niche markets are great. Use videos to grow your email list. I'm sure you have heard that the money is in your list. So you need to grow your email list. Create videos to encourage your prospect to give you their name and email in exchange for something you will give them. You can give them an ebook or an articles on tips, strategies, or how to are always popular. They're great. A tutorial video. Figure out what your prospect will find most valuable and create a video around what your prospect want. Here are 3 steps to quickly make video blogging work for you. You can create a 3 to 5 minute video telling your viewers who you are, what you can do for them, and the benefits of your free giveaway. End your video with a call to action by saying something like, enter your name and email now, and I'll be sure to send you a free report instantly. You can also embed your video on a page with an opt-in form. I use Aweber to create my opt-in forms. To drive traffic to your video's opt-in page, post a link to it on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or any other social networking site. The key is to make sure you tell your fans and followers what's in it for them. By going the extra mile and creating a short video to attract your visitors to give you their name and email in exchange for a valuable giveaway, you are dramatically increasing your chances that they will sign up and get on your list. Plan your greeting. The best videos will look and feel like a spontaneous conversation, but the difference between a good video blogging site from a great one are little bits of information that must be planned and written in advance. It is a great idea to start every video with a greeting, your name and your business name. People watching your video will want to know who you are. The way you end each video is also important. The ending gives you another chance to mention your video name along with your other information that would help a potential customer find you. Write down the information in advance and practice saying them until they are completely natural. Check your audio equipment. You can make a great looking video without spending a lot of money on camera and lighting, but the one thing you do want to spend money on is studio audio equipment. If you are using a camera with built-in audio, make sure you are within 3 feet of the mic so your audience can hear what you are saying. Test it. Make any adjustments. People will be okay with bad lighting, but not bad sound. If your viewers can't hear your message, they will simply hit the stop button and move on. You want to interact with your audience. Taking action after posting your video online will give you an idea of how receptive your audience are to the information you are sharing, via your video. Interact by monitoring comments and then reply. Develop a conversation about your brand, your team, or your product. You want to measure the stats. If your video includes links to your website or a call to action, monitor the increase of sales, website visits, or blog subscribers you receive. Answer questions. If your viewers want to talk about the topic in your video, or ask for more information, let them continue the conversation with you. You want to take feedback. Listen to what your industry leaders, customers, and your own staff say about your video and make notes to use it next time. Use the information you receive and develop a more successful plan for next time. By taking the feedback and monitoring which areas of your video marketing strategies work each time, your video will become more engaged with your target audience. With your video blogging will become more successful overall. Improve your video marketing. The most underutilized space on YouTube is the description below the video, where you can describe your service and put your website that can be clicked. Add a call to action at the end of the video, such as, if you like this video, click on on the link below to find more information. This is a way to increase engagement. Use captions, subtitles. Captions are not just for people who needs them, but they're also broadcast your message. If the words are there, people can read them. Any videos you upload to YouTube, you should also upload it to Facebook. Optimize your video for SEO and make them shareable. Make sure that the search engine can find your videos. Use a couple of keywords in the title of your video and make sure they matches the title of the page. We all know that YouTube is the most popular video site, but did you know that YouTube search algorithm are different from search engine algorithm like Google? Now, 5 tips. Okay, you want to create your video title to engage users while keeping in mind the SEO aspect. Use keywords in the video descriptions, titles, and keyword tags. You want to include a link in your description of the video back to your website. You may not get SEO link juice, but you will get referral traffic. Share your video on YouTube and post it on your website. Remember to keep your titles SEO and social media friendly. Include a transcript of all your videos when you post them on your website. Video marketing, when done right, can pull tons of traffic for both your videos as well as your lead capture page. That's because Google loves videos. If you got value out of this video, share it, like it, comment below. Click on the link below to access a step-by-step blueprint to video blogging, and I'll talk to you soon.